Hello, good morning, children. Myself Jagruti Bhatia from Dr. PVT Primary Girls School English Medium. Today we learn subject English Marigold. I hope you all are safe at home. Look, what is this? Yes, we all know that this is a plant. Sir Jagdish Chandra proved that plants have life. Plants also living things. What do plants need to grow? We all know that plants need sunlight, water, minerals, etc. to grow. There are two parts of a plant, root system and shoot system. The root is under the ground, it absorbs water, it saves water and then it provides water and mineral to shoot system. The shoot system is above the ground. Flowers, bud, leaf, fruits, stem consist shoot system. Plants also breathe with stomata. There are tiny pore present on leaf is called stomata. Tiny pore means tiny holes are present on a leaf. It is called stomata. The leaf is look like a green because the chlorophyll is present on it. The green leaf is called the food factory of a plant because green leaf prepare food during daytime. The green leaf prepare food during daytime only because sunlight is necessary to prepare food. The green leaf prepare food during daytime in a present of sunlight. It's use mineral, oxygen, water for it. This process is called photosynthesis. Then the stem provide this food to other parts of the plant. Always sunflower grow in opposite direction of sun. We also see the rainbow in opposite direction of sun. Now look here, there are different types of plant like trees, shrubs, herbs, creeper and climber. The trees are very strong and live for many years. For example, banyan tree, neem tree, Asoka tree, etc. The shrubs are small in size with thorny stem. For example, rose plant and hibiscus. The herbs are small in size too with a weak stem like tulsi. Creeper are creep on the ground because its stem is very weak. For example, watermelon. Climber is a plant with a weak stem. They doesn't stand erect. They need support to grow. For example, money plant, bitter gourd, etc. So today we learn Unit 7 poem A Watering Rhyme. This poem was written by P.A. Rope. Rhyme means the poem. In this poem, poet described the best time to watering plant, importance of roots, early in the morning or the evening is the best hour to watering plant. Hour means a time. It is the best time to every kinds of flowers. If we water the plant in the morning, they will grow well. But at noonday, when the sun is high, we should not water the plants. Noonday means afternoon. If we water the plant in the afternoon, they will die. So we should not water the plant in the afternoon. We should water the roots of the plant. Flowers gets water from the roots. Flower keep their mouth where we should wear our boots. Boots means shoes. Always flowers bent down, shock the earth around them. Then, through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. Soak means make something very wet, and heat means hotness, and thirsty feet means roots. The plants are most important for us. The trees are our best friends. The trees provide fruits, vegetables, medicine, etc. It also give oxygen to us for breathe and reduce carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is not good for our health. It is also reduce soil erosion. It is prevent flooding too. So save trees. No need to cut the trees. Grow more and more trees. If you save trees, trees save to you. So thanks for watch my video.